Hey y'all, this is Deja the Diva coming at you with another video. Um, this video is, I think, much needed because there's a lot of people that don't know or they've been doing a harder, more complicated way of doing this. But today we are going to talk about drafty windows and what you can do for it. Now, I used to go out and buy the rolls of drop cloth because I've had different windows and stuff, and they have, when I was renting and stuff. Now, when I first started out, you know how it is. You don't have the best apartment because your budget ain't, you know, inclined to handle that. Okay, but with some drop cloth, and I used to use painter's tape, but you have to keep reapplying that painter's tape around that drop cloth because it will not stick. It just won't. And who wants to keep going back over and over and over their work? And one of the things I surely hate doing is my pants are getting too big. Is doing curtains. Not let alone it's tedious. I never liked doing it. So, but I was going to say I didn't do it because my arms. I have to be careful of my arms. I don't have the strength in them to keep really lifting and holding up and all that. I have to do a little bit at a time, honey. It is what it is. For you guys that really don't follow me, I had a double mastectomy and repair. So I'm regaining my strength. I'm recovering from the treatment. Sometimes the treatment's worse than the disease. But in saying that, let's get started on the video. One thing I came to realize, as I said, is the painter's tape doesn't hold long. So you have to keep reapplying that tape to hold your drop cloth down. And I happen to think, that drop cloth, if you get the thick kind, like you should, for your windows, it always ends up looking frosted or cloudy, and it makes it hard to see outside, and it makes it hard for the light to come in. So I put on my thinking cap. What was a diva to do? So what I did throughout my house this winter, and I'm sure my homeowner's insurance will pay for new windows, but it's 22 degrees out there. One thing, somebody has to be home. And your girl's a working girl, you know what I'm saying? So that's off the table. Honey works, that's off the table. So, and it's cold. So what I wanted to do was get something a little bit easier, a little bit more see-through. So the lovely winter light, because when that light reflects off that snow, honey, that is a brilliant light that comes through my windows. And my rooms are small. And honey, I picked my house small. One thing, nobody asked to come stay. And if they do, there's no room. And second of all, who wants to be cleaning up a big house with just a couple people in it? Not I. No, I got better things to do with my time. So, I'd rather be decorating it, than spending my time cleaning and repairing and, no, nobody has time for that. So, got me a small house. 3 bedrooms, but it suits me well. And the 3rd bedroom is my closet. Thank you very much. But as you can see, this is a 12 years old. 12-year-old's room, preteen. It's not too bad. That's his catch-all, but he is going to promise me he's going to clean that up when he gets home. He's probably going to kick my butt for showing y'all his room unfinished. Yeah, but I'm trying to adjust you guys. I got you on a mic stand. Check two, check two. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. I'm trying to let me fix you for a minute. Let me put something behind here so you'll stand up a little bit. How's that? There, you can see. Like I said, his little chest here is his catch-all. See, he got his Christmas tree out. He's about ready to decorate. He'll have that fixed up in a minute. But in saying that, excuse me, I don't want to moon you, but look, your girl's losing weight. Look, these leggings, these are jeggings, like them legging jeans. They're not really fitting anymore. Your girl is losing her waistline. So yeah, but let's keep it moving. What I did, see, I use a regular smegular curtain rod because he is so hard on these curtain rods. When my boys were growing up, now this is my grandson's room. When my boys were growing up, they really didn't want no curtains. That used to tick me off so bad. They just wanted the blind up there. But I want to show you guys. I just give him the regular, because I got to buy them so often. You know, I don't want to get nothing expensive when I have to constantly buy them. See? Just a regular smegular, and I got nails up there. Yes, indeed. I will rig it up in a minute. I'm not going to keep buying. But, look, I purchased clear shower curtain liners and duct tape. Dollar Tree. Now, you see, it's thick, it's clear. You can see still see outside, but they can't see inside to see that that's plastic, that there's plastic to the window. He's kept warm. As a matter of fact, I put this up last night. We had to turn the heat down because he was complaining that he was too warm, okay? And I just wanted to share this with you guys on what I do to keep the draft out. It keeps the gas bill low because you have to turn it down. Keeps that coin in your pocket, honey. But for those that have a draft, or you're in your first place and you basically have to put it together, y'all know how it is. You have to paint, sometimes patch walls. You have to buy your own carpet and put it down. You have to do what you have to do in order to make it, you know, till you can get something better. We've all been there. So, yeah, like there's a draft, and I couldn't really tell where it was coming from, but it was like I kept turning up my heat. Oh, no, honey. My heat bill was $146, you know, and I'm not on no payment plan or budget. I just like to go ahead and just pay the full amount and be done. So that's what I do. So, yeah, the other windows were done like 2 weeks ago. And I got my new bill and it was down to $77. So that goes to show you the coin you can save. It's like half of what the bill was. But yeah, shower curtain liners. You don't have to measure. You don't have to cut. You don't have to do nothing. Look, you place it up there, and I put it around the nails that I have for his curtains. And that's how I got it to stay up there until I was able to duct tape it. And I duct taped it all the way around. The extra at the bottom, I just curled it up, put it up on the wood part, because you don't want to put the tape on the wall. It's so easy. When you rip that down in the summertime, when it starts getting, warm weather, and you rip that down and it takes some of the paint off, a quart of white paint, all fixed. All fixed. So that's easy peasy. Saves you money. And I just wanted to put this video up for the people who didn't know or wanted an easier way other than cut and measure and drop cloth and not being able to get that light in your house. And you see how much light comes through when I took the curtain down. You see how much light came through whenever I took the curtain down. So, yeah, you get super duper light. You're able to see outside, but nobody can see from the outside that you have that plastic up. Yeah, it keeps the house really warm. It's 22 degrees, and I do have my heat at 67. And it'll probably be that way throughout the winter. Might have to turn it up just a little, but not much, So yeah, I just wanted to share this idea of keeping the drafts out, keeping your house warm, while at the same time saving your coin, and keeping everybody warm. Yeah, this is what I've done the last couple years, and this is my first year doing the shower curtain liners, and it is a godsend. It is a godsend. So yes, they're clear, they're thick, they're cheap. I found it at the Dollar Tree, and the duct tape, and that is the money saving tip of the day, of the week, of the winter, of the season. This is Deja the Deja the Diva. Say that about 6 times fast. I am Deja the Diva, and I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? To the Lord by blessing somebody else. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I will be doing my Christmas videos soon, so stay tuned. You guys have a blessed day.